Well, good afternoon. How are you now? We are on a afternoon walk delight. Afternoon delight. What's that song about? Anybody know? Anyway, ooh, I kind of enjoyed watching, or not watching, talking about Minecraft. You know, and I enjoyed watching it back. Ah, son of a cracker. Ow. Still no socks on. Ugh. I only put socks on, it seems, when I, when I leave the property and go on an adventure elsewhere. Right, Jerry? Mr. Jerry? Mrs. Jerry? Don't you know? You betcha. Uh, wow. It's very cloudy. Just rained. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I think there's a cat that lives somewhere on our property. I'm pretty sure it's in the shed. Well, just, I'm assuming. Is assuming and pretty sure the same thing? Keep asking questions, people. That's how you get smarter. Uh, well, that's what I'm told anyway. I'm not quite certain if it works for me or not, but I guess other people can be the judge of how smart I am. Isn't that right, Jerry? Because naturally, wouldn't everybody like say that they're the smartest person on the planet? Have you guys ever thought about that? Of course, everybody would say that they are the smartest person on the planet because of the decisions that they make, right? I mean, there's some validity to that, I believe. Who knows? But it's the kind of questions I'm asking. So I'm thinking about what other stuff I made in Minecraft. Like I made a lot of stuff. Terraforming, terraforming mountains and under the ocean, like Atlantis. Not the lost city of Atlantis, but King Triton's Atlantis. Um, Lost City of Atlantis. I've never made that because I consider them two different things, two different sources. Well, actually, two different times in its life span. Does that make sense? Like Atlantis has always been around. Uh, but in different forms. There's the dry land and the underwater one. I have no idea what I'm talking about. King Triton's Atlantis would be like the one in The Little Mermaid. It's completely submerged in water. But then there's the lost city of Atlantis, which is um, above, like it's underwater, but it's like it's not submerged. You know what I mean? It's like the cartoon Atlantis. That's the lost city of Atlantis with Milo in the Shepherd's Journal. Oh, the Shepherd's Journal. I love that damn book. If you would even call it a book, I'd call it scripture. Is that even right? Scripture, would that even be the right word? Like, what would you call hieroglyphics? That would be scripture, wouldn't it? These are the questions I'm asking right now. So I can look at myself in the future, look at this video and be like, God, you're a dumbass. And I'm gonna say, yeah, future self, I sure shit am. Jerry. Jerry's out doing her own thing. You know what? Let's try to go that way. Uh, why didn't I go this way before? There's a reason. It's not that windy, so I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Oh, what do we got growing this year? A bunch of the same. I'm digging foraging too. So thanks, government, for making me suffer so much to where I enjoy going out and foraging. Is that a thing? Oh, because, whoa, who owns this property, man? Freaking brick. Oh, um, where are we putting this damn thing? I guess nailed it. Oh, and then get the mud off of. Who's a good girl? Look how dirty you are. That's how you get the mud off of your fingers on the farm. Because life on the farm's kind of laid back. There's nothing like a city, but we can't hack. Early to rise, early in the sack. Thank God I'm a country boy. Indian gum, y'all. Or one form of it. One form of Indian gum. Yeah, ooh, the vines are crawling. See that? You gotta sell that. You're smart, right? What was that? Okay, nothing that I'm gonna hurt the lawnmower with. Ooh, I should probably check the lawnmower actually. Let's go around this side. This side. Well, Jerry's being a suspect. Actually, you ever get that with your dog and like it's just, I have an instinct that my dog wants me to go in that direction. What was that? Oh, um, there she is. Oh, I'm not going out there. It just rained, Jerry. It's way too muddy. No. No, Jerry. She wants to go out in the field, but it just rained, and this soil it's been tilled every year for the past freaking hundreds of years. So, pretty sure it's like pure mud. We gotta wipe your feet too before we go in, Miss Jerry, Miss Jerrytown Banana Pants, wherever she is. She usually comes up on the left side of me, but this time it's on the right. Ooh, that looks muddy down there too, Jerry. We're gonna have to cut in upland. Upland buzzard. That's what I saw the other, actually, like, yeah, yesterday or so. There's a flock of birds screaming up there. Uh, oh, I made an Ewok village in Minecraft too. That was like a very good achievement. I don't think I got any pictures of that though. Not the Ewok vision, uh, village. I got my archery range, Star Destroyer, dragons, the White House, the Capitol building, and this cool roller coaster. Whoa, and a bunch of pirate ships. Got all that. I got all those pictures, but I don't think I grabbed the. I might have got some of the Ewok village on a screenshot, but I don't think I did. But you never know, because I'm forgetful Lucy hit her head like Gary Busey. How about another first kiss? It's for 51st dates. I decided I really like Drew Barrymore. Good job, Drew Barrymore. You have entertained me my whole life. Uh, say hi to Lucy Liu and Cameron Diaz, please. I bet Adam Sandler's a good hang. Like, he's fun to hang out with. Holy shit. The dead tree. It's so cool. Actually, yeah, let's go over. Let's take a walk outside today. Gonna see what we can find today. So, has anybody narrowed down my diagnosis yet after watching these videos? Because I would say I'm a little bit of all of the above. Do you concur? I'm pretty sure I would if I was a doctor. Ooh, that feels like it might break on me. That's getting a little dead and old and light. Love these vines. I saw somebody make something pretty cool, like a wreath out of these vines. A pretty cool wreath. If you like took your time, you got the trick is you got to get these while they're uh, living still. You got to get the vine while it's living, so you can wrap it around real easy. Because it does get, if you don't like treat it, it'll get like really brittle and break over time. No, I mean, I probably said that wrong. Like what I was thinking. You have to shape the wreath before the plant dies. Nailed it. Totally nailed that. There, conveyed it. Oh, dude. Ooh, it's a mean-looking branch, ain't it? Ooh, we're kind of. Ooh, that's. I found where all the wind is, guys. Right down here. That's cold. That's what I was afraid of. That cold wind. Not afraid, but I would like dress warmer if I knew that that cold wind was out. See, now the sun is shining and it's really warm now. Right when that wind hits you. Oh, cold. From a Eskimo. Water from an Eskimo. Adam Sandler. Don't you be hunting. Don't let me see no gun out your window, sir. Actually, I don't have a problem with that. I mind my own business. But I do notice it and I act like I have a problem with it. Whoa. Oh, you guys want to? There's this theory I have. You know when you're just in the house somewhere and like you see the something cut in front of the light source, like in your peripheral vision, when that just randomly happens and there's like no possible way it could be like a pet or anything like that going in front of the window, I believe that more times than not, that is a bird flying across the sun and it hits your eye. Oh, that's good. I do like that. That's a good place to end on. So just something to think about. Keep asking questions. No, the government is never good enough. Bye.